So I fell in love with optometry when I dispensed the right refractive error to a high myopic patient for the very first time. When I put the right refractive error into the trial frame, the happiness and the satisfaction which was on his face made my day. And at that moment, I felt I'm at the right place. And then these events start happening on the regular basis, and I fell deeply in love with optometry. I'm proud to be an optometrist.
When I was pursuing optometry and I got to know about various fields, like I can go in hospital, I can go in MNCs, so I realized that my field is very vast. But what fascinates me most is I can do my own practice. So I thought being a boss in medical services is good enough. And now I am graduate, and still my dream is to build my own setup. And yeah, I am very satisfied with it, and I'm proud to be an optometrist.
My admission in optometry was not planned. I did not know anything about optometry, so my father got to know what optometry is, that too via newspaper ad, and then he asked me to search about it further, that what kind of a course it is, what are the opportunities and all such things. So I searched about it, and then we got me registered for the examination, and that's how I took admission in optometry.
Before joining optometry, I was worried about my career option, like क्या होगा मेरा फ्यूचर में, क्या नहीं होगा, और इस optometry में स्कोप है भी या नहीं. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे माइंड में, बट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माई optometry, I was really happy with my profession. Eye is the most important part of the body, and we are taking care of this, and I am lucky to have a noble profession. Basically ऑप्टोमेट्री करने के बाद बहुत सारे स्कोप हैं, बहुत सारी फील्ड्स हैं जिसमें आप अलग अलग स्पेशलिटी के साथ जा सकते हो. एंड नाउ स्टिल आई एम वर्किंग विद lenskart.com, and आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद माई जॉब, एंड आई एम प्राउड टू बी एन ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट.
Hello everyone. The absolute special thing about optometry is every optometrist has ability to give vision. From a very simple refractive error to an complex irregular cornea, an optometrist has an ability to provide a perfect vision with the help of specialization. And along with this, there is a great demand of highly certified optometrists in our society. So these are the things which make special about optometry.
After joining optometry, it was enhancing my skill and my knowledge, whichever I don't expect at that time whenever I choose optometry as a profession. Apart from that, whenever we dispense something to patient regarding to their need, and whenever we treat some patient regarding to their treatment, but sometimes they both will give us blessings, and of course blessings is more important sometimes than reward. These things will satisfy us to choose optometry as a career option.
Hello everyone, it's me Janak. Even I was also unknown about this course, optometry course, and I used to think optometry profession as an eye doctor. And when I came to Bangalore for this course, my mom and dad, they used to think like I'll be an eye doctor and I'll perform some eye surgeries. And later on, after completing my second year, I came to know about different platforms of optometry, and I convinced my parents about it. So now they are happy after knowing about like what an actually optometry is, and now they used to call me as an optometrist, not an eye doctor. So I'm very happy that my parents are well known about it. Thank you.
Optometry gives an excellent career opportunities to practice independently or have a joint practice along with an ophthalmologist. Optometrists can also work as an educator. They can also work in a central and state government hospitals and health centers. They can also practice in contact lens and low vision aids. They can also become a vision therapist. They can also become an ocularist, and they can also become a post-secondary teachers
They can also do researches in optometric colleges. They can also go in corporate researches. There are vast career options in this optometric.
So getting admitted into optometry in Jamia Hamdard and being satisfied by this course was an amazing experience, as this course have many career opportunities. You can work in retail, you can be ocularist, you can have your own setup, you can work in corporate, you can be contact lens specialist and other opportunities as well. So I am proud to be an optometrist.
ऑप्टोमेट्री करियर को लेकर मेरे पेरेंट्स को ऐसा लगता है कि इसमें बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, इसमें हम अपना इंडिपेंडेंट प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं और टीचिंग और बहुत सारे अदर स्पेशलाइज में जा सकते हैं इस पर, तो उन्हें काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है। और हम जैसे पेशेंट आते हैं उनकी हम कैसे हेल्प करते हैं, फिर वो जो उन्हें खुशी होती है, तो वो सब एक्सपीरियंस अगर हम अपने पेरेंट के साथ शेयर करते हैं तो उन्हें काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है।